So finally, after 2 months, I've got an opportunity to make a video. मतलब nowadays तो I'm like really busy with my project and all. मतलब इतना काम वगैरह है तो time ही नहीं मिलता है to make videos and all. So today I finally found some time. थोड़ा pressure कम है today. So I thought let's make a video today and yeah. So I'm going to make a video on a very common topic which is currently right now there in the market, and a lot of you are there who are having queries. Like today only in office there are people who are asking me about this thing, about recession, about about switching companies and all. So I'll be giving my views over here in this video, and if you agree or if you do not agree, even you can share your views in the comment section below and mention whether you agree with what I am saying or not, and what you think about the current market situation. So many of my friends keep asking me that should I be switching companies right now? Because abhi kya ho raha hai ki the market is such that I don't know whether you all know, but freshers who got hired last year from on campus or off campus, like the 2022 pass out batch hires, there are a huge number of people who are not getting joining in almost all the major MNC IT companies. So there are people whose offer letters are getting cancelled, whose joinings are getting postponed. So, मतलब also there are companies which are cancelling offer letters. मतलब क्या ही बोले. तो situation has become such. तो first we all need to understand that why the situation has become like this. तो क्या हुआ था कि when the COVID started, there was in 2020, so there was suddenly a big, a lockdown kind of situation. I mean, there was a lockdown and all. सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स, सो देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ अनसर्टेनिटी इन द एयर, लाइक क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा. तो उस टाइम क्या हुआ कि 2020 में, सो द हायरिंग गॉट फ्रीज, नॉट फ्रीज एज सच, बट द ऑनबोर्डिंग गॉट स्लोड डाउन, द प्रोजेक्ट्स गॉट स्लोड डाउन, हायरिंग गॉट स्लोड डाउन, सो everything became very slowed down. तो मतलब the candidates, the freshers who were getting hired became less, the fresher pool became less. Now because of that, due to that, what happened was in 2021, companies started recruiting in a huge, massive scale. But because in the previous year, the recruitment did not happen at that big scale because of COVID. So in 2021, especially for the 2021 pass out batches, there was a massive क्या बोले onboarding, hiring. मतलब every other week companies were bringing out onboarding notices, onboarding jobs, JDs, job descriptions and all. तो because companies भी anticipate कर रहे थे, because almost 1 year there was less projects, there was the market was down, so they were also anticipating that there will be a huge boom in the market. तो उन लोग भी anticipate कर रहे थे, and accordingly they hired a huge number of freshers, and a huge number of freshers pool was there in all the IT companies. तो अब क्या हुआ कि इतने सारे freshers हो गया कि they couldn't provide project, they couldn't deploy them to projects, all of them. So a huge number of freshers remained on the bench, and the bench strength in the IT companies became massive. And because of that, what happened was in 2022, that in this year, the onboarding got slowed down. I don't know whether you all know about the current situation, but yes, freshers are not getting onboarding, freshers, the joinings are getting postponed, so a lot of things are happening currently. So now in such a situation, should you as an experienced person plan to switch companies or not? So this is what I feel, that yes, if you have a good opportunity, if you have an opportunity from a company which is giving a salary with which you are satisfied, or it is giving a work in a domain in which you are interested, then I'll tell you definitely go and switch to that company. So there are some reasons, because see, the company is hiring, the company is going to hire you as a experienced hire and not as a fresher. तो इसका advantage क्या है कि when you are being hired as a fresher, the company has to provide you training. So you all know that in all the companies, when freshers first join from college to the company, they shift to the corporate world, they undergo some training in some particular domain. So companies spend a lot of money training freshers behind this training programs. Even after that, before onboarding to a project, again the freshers have a training. They undergo KTs and all. So a huge expenditure is incurred by the company behind these freshers. Now, what happens when the company is trying to hire a experienced candidate is that they do not have to spend that much money behind the trainings of these people. So company is comparatively saving a lot compared to a fresher. So, and that is exactly why the chances of your offer letter getting cancelled is going to be minimum when you're trying to switch as a experienced candidate. So let me give you an example. One of my colleagues in my company, that person, so her current salary was around 5 LPA. So she got an offer from first company of 6.5 LPA. Then she sat for another interview and got package of 9 LPA, and then got a counter offer of 12.5 LPA. So you can see that the 5 LPA went on to 12.5 LPA in such a market condition. So क्या बोल रहे कि don't worry that you all won't be getting job opportunities. You're going to get good offers. You're going to get a good package CTC, and you're also going to get counter offers too. Very proper counter offers also. So yes, if you are finding opportunities, you can go and apply to. There are so many different portals like LinkedIn, Naukri, through referrals. So go and apply. If you are getting an opportunity, do apply, because companies are always looking for experienced hires. See, why is company hiring as an experienced? Because obviously that project has a vacancy, right? That is why they're hiring you. Companies don't hire freshers because of vacancies in projects. Companies hire experienced people. Why? Because they're anticipating vacancies, or there will be vacancies there are vacancies in the project. That is why they're hiring you. So as I said, the chances of your offer letters getting cancelled or your onboarding getting delayed is less as an experienced hire. So yes, if you are looking for a job switch, do sit for different company interviews. And also one thing, if you are on bench for a long period of time, then you should definitely I'm not telling you that you should switch the company, but you should look at other companies, other opportunities which other companies are providing. Because क्या होता है कि like what is happening currently in several companies is that they're terminating. They're sending bench people to programs, and they're terminating. So that several companies are laying off their employees currently. So that is why I'm telling you, if you're on bench, I'm suggesting you that please at least try to get a project as fast as possible. Otherwise, I'll not tell you this. I'm not telling you to switch the company, but yes, see whether you're getting any good opportunities, any good offers from other companies, and you all can try sitting for interviews and all. So these are my views. So if you have liked my video, please do like my video, subscribe to my channel. And I know that I've made a video after a long period of time, but I'll try to be regular in the upcoming days. So yeah, anyway, thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope you have enjoyed it. See you in the next one.